Hey, my name is Jason, and I'm the Chief of Operations at our Roundtable Robotics team. Our team 1792 RTR hosted a workshop at the FBLA RLC. Now FBLA, a lot of students from 21 different schools came to compete in a business competition. Now the business competition, after it ended, these kids needed something to do, so we hosted a workshop. Now this workshop was STEM and Business FBLA, how to interact more with your robotics team. Now we learned the importance of a strong business team this year, and we wanted to make sure other robotics teams had the same business team that ours did. So our workshop had NFC cards where we gave them information on the robotics team, where we gave them information on our robotics team, how to get more involved, the presentation, our social media, all this fun aspect that they can go back and look at if they needed to again. Our goal and our purpose was to make sure these kids go back, but we also wanted to make sure that this was a fun experience, which is why we showed our bent solo robot. We showed them my experience. We showed them how our marketing team does stuff. We showed them our safety captain. We showed them the machines. This weekend went really well. A lot of students came out of it learning more than they think that they would have. A lot of our members are gonna go back to STEM and try to experiment with their team and see exactly how much of an impact they can make through a business side, which is what our goal was.